Nursing is giving of oneself to enhance the lives of others. We join together to honor the memory of Marie Page and her lifetime commitment to caring. We acknowledge Marie's nursing practice and know that her accomplishments can only be measured in the lives she affected through knowledge, dedication, and caring.
We are here today as members of the nursing profession to honor and memorialize Marie Taylor Page, registered nurse, with the Nightingale tribute. After graduation from high school, Marie attended Virginia Baptist Hospital School of Nursing in Lynchburg, Virginia. She graduated with a diploma in nursing in 1964. Marie had 42 years of devoted service to the nursing profession. So what led Marie into nursing? She lost a brother at the age of 12 with leukemia. She experienced firsthand the compassionate care that was given to her brother by the UVA nurses that took care of him. This experience led her to wanting to become a nurse and into a life of serving others. Upon nursing graduation, Marie worked in the ICU at Virginia Baptist Hospital. Dr. Charles Sackett recognized her critical care nursing skills. He saw her compassionate and quiet strength to every patient and family that she served. In 1969, Dr. Sackett was seeking a group of specialized nurses to open the new coronary care unit at Virginia Baptist Hospital. He asked Marie to enroll in a coronary care program that he was teaching to nurses that would work in this unit. In 1970, this new coronary care unit opened with Marie Page as assistant head nurse. Caring for the cardiac patient was now her new passion. In 1987, Marie was approached by Dr. Thomas Nygaard to be the head nurse for the soon-to-open cardiac cath lab at Virginia Baptist Hospital. In highly stressful situations, Marie demonstrated the true spirit of a nurse. She offered comfort in uncertainty and dignity in difficult moments. Marie continued her nursing career in the cardiac cath lab, which is now located at Lynchburg General Hospital, into her retirement in 2006. Marie was known as a nurturing and caring individual. Her greatest reward in nursing was her mentorship program for new nurses in both the CCU and cath lab. She made a difference in their lives, offering steady hope through their kindness, and in turn touching countless lives along the way. Upon her retirement, Marie continued to serve her community by volunteering at the Lynchburg Free Clinic and the Central Hospice. She also served by doing 2 medical mission trips to Hungary and Uganda.
Marie Page, please report to duty. Marie Page, please report to duty. Marie Page, please report to duty. This is the final call for Marie Page, who served selflessly and has given her life for the good of her fellow men. Her earthly tasks are now complete. Her duties are now done. She has gone home.
I would like to ask all the nurses in the room to please stand. I'm going to be reading a poem called She Was There. When I pause, I would ask that you say, she was there. When a calming, quiet presence was all that was needed, she was there. In the excitement of a milestone reached and in the mystery of life, she was there. When a humble smile could uplift a patient, a family member, or a colleague, she was there. When that which is unexplainable needed an explanation, such as now with us today, she was there. When the situation called for quick thought and action, she was there. When a gentle hug or an encouraging word was needed,
She was there.
when there was a moment of lightness and laughter among friends,
She was there.
to embrace the sadness that life often bestows and offer hope.
She was there.
Just as she faithfully answered the call to be a nurse, she has answered the call to be by the side of God.
She is there.
You may be seated. Marie, we honor you this day and give extinguished Nightingale lamp to your family to symbolize our honor and appreciation for you being our colleague.